So we are now going to Palatuvier Waterfall. So we are in Palatuvier. Alright, you're coming down the road that way, and there's this little small road before you swing off, like close to where you swing off at the beach, that you can take. Alright, it's a little dirt track, well, a little grass looking track, I should say, and it's a very short walk. I believe if you are fit, you can do it in about 5 minutes. I'm here with you guys, just trotting along the way. So we come up to this river, very small little river. You have to cross a little bit of water, and as you can see, you either walk through the water, it's your choice, or someone put some stones, but you don't want to mash the stone and fall. Right, so you take your time and you cross over the stones. What you're hearing is my shoes. He sound like a frog. So how long we walking so far? About 3 minutes? 2 minutes? 3 minutes. And we reach. Change. This is your changing room, people. You better than nothing. You can see the whole bottom there. Oh God. How weak. Don't change in this changing room, people. Right? Your whole veggie gonna be outside. Welcome to Palatuvier Waterfall. It's a very short walk. Less than 5 minutes. Depending on your fitness level, might be only 2 minutes. You have a nice little pond in the front to bathe, as you can see. A nice tree coming down, and it's a small fall. Alright, that falls. The water looks very nice and clear. Oh, it's actually very cold as well. So, we are at Palatuvier Waterfall, and this is the bottom part of the waterfall. In order to get to the top, you have to take this track and go all the way up to the top of the waterfall. So it's pretty simple waterfall. We're gonna go up the track, obviously, and let you see what's up there. Right, so welcome to Palatuvier Waterfall, very small waterfall. As you can see in the background, 1 minute away, and we have the track to go up, that you could go up.
Up to the top. Huh? Yeah.
Right, so we're going to the top of the waterfall now, up to the pond. That water cold though. We are climbing. There might be snakes in the bush. Guess who frightened snakes? Ta-da! Right, yeah, you gotta be slippery, right? Like rainfall. Or? This part here is the slippery part. We have to hold on. So you just have to take your time climbing. You'll come back down. So it's a little climb. For those that, and the place wetter, so that is why. You have all of these. These are actually strong. They may look seem weak, but they're strong. So hold this. Don't put all your weight on it. Come. Don't put all your weight. You just have to step light. And you're holding that for balance. Right? Right. So reach it up. So we're now at the pond. See the bush. Alright, so we're now at, you have to take a time here too. This rock, slippery. So if I step sideways, it's easier than stepping forward. Alright. Oh, this rock here is slippery. So this is the big pond that most people come and bathe in, have their little picnics, and the water comes from that side. You can jump from on top up there into the water. Water looks a bit green today. Nobody bathes and go down there, but I guess that's an option. Welcome to Palatuvier Pond. Right, so that's the waterfall. So this was built way back in the days, and the waterfall. But this is a nice slide though. Woo! Back! Bring it back. Bring it back. You're going down here full speed. Woo! Back! You must be one of the best slides I see on a waterfall in Tobago. No, Jed, I would do that. No, for real, I could do that. Anyway. Alright, so we're now heading over. This is me treading on the rim of this. Woo! The rim of this thing. Right? And we're going over. So this is a beauty right here. Let me show you this. So we have all there. Palatuvier, very nice. Ain't gonna lie, it looks so nice, eh? But you should have a big fall falling into it. So here is where the hard part is, right? You're basically using the 3 limbs. I don't believe you stick there.
I'm afraid I fall.
I know you're frightened. That's what happened. Too damn frightened. You're too damn scared. If there's a snake in here, you wouldn't know. So just take your time and climb. Don't think.
I don't do that.
Don't think about it.
I don't do that one.
Woo!
I ain't do that one.
Yeah, no snake there. Come. I just tell you that because I know you're going to get scared. That's simple. Easy squeezy. Welcome to the top. So this is the next level, where you actually see the pond from this angle. Part of the people. The waterfall is. Anaz, who you watching like that? Why you watching me? What? Me and you friend? Eh? Me and you friend? Why you watching like that? Eh? Go on, go on.